Alright guys, we got in the blue parrot b450 XT. I've been using blue parrot for a long time and I needed a upgrade. So we got this model. Blocks 96%. Background noise up to 24 hours of talk time. And it's actually pretty comfortable. I have it on full charge and check it. So it blocks out 96% of background noise, 24-hour talk time, about 300 feet from your phone. It's pretty rugged and actually it is very comfortable for the size. Let's see what it has. Mute, speed dial, and push to talk option. And this is the headset. Functions on it. USB, extra foam, mic in the head, and then the USB